Alright guys, so here's what it comes with. Frame for the bagger, that's real nice. Looks like it comes with the oil that you need, so that's really good. Comes with a manual and some other stuff like this. Something you gotta submit. I don't know if you have to do that for warranty or what. That's really cool. Comes with all this. Comes with this. Put it on the frame. That's really nice. Nice material. Looks good. Man, that mower was a little bit heavier than I was expecting. But it's nice that it feels pretty heavy duty. So I think that's good. I'll have to learn more about it. But I'm ready to get fired up. But that's what it comes with in the box. I did a lot of research, and I feel like for the $400 price, I feel like this is a really good mower for that. So a lot of good reviews on it and stuff. I also like this. Yeah, it's really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, man, $400. So I'll keep y'all tuned. There's a lot of great videos on this mower on YouTube because, you know, a lot of people probably bought it in general, which is great. You know, a lot of things fix if it won't roll backwards and all kind of stuff. So we'll talk to you soon. Alright guys, one of the things I want to show you the model it is so you would know. And that's the model right there. So, yep. $400 Home Depot, baby.